impacts on human health that have now been documented or shown in other mammals that are now suspected to be also present in humans. There's 14 categories of health impacts now, potentially on humans. Aren't then going to release their hormones. So what that ends up looking like is a much reduced level of testosterone in men, but an elevated level of testosterone in women, which has a whole suite of impacts to health. You can see the decline in sperm count over the past decades, and this has long been cited as a long-term impact, potential impact on reproductive health in men, which of course is an indicator of other health impacts. It's not just sperm count. It means the sperm motility is affected, but that means many other correlative health impacts are occurring as well. It's not just sperm count.